Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. Today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the LåNESPELARE, of the IKEA cup holder desk clamp thingy. TM. Let's jump right into this. So this is going to be a super short video. It's one of the new products from IKEA that encompasses their new kind of gaming setup range. And this is the desk mounted cup holder. This is something I've been taking a look at for a while, but I haven't seen any pure dedicated videos related to it. And I was really curious how it worked in the setup and what kind of cups it would work with and what kind of cups would fit inside it. So let's start with the unboxing. And overall, there's not a lot going on here. We get a simple cardboard box and inside we get our cup holder. And overall, the material and build of this is quite nice. So the material of the cup holder itself is made from the typical wooden IKEA look. It has a very black malm finish to it, but I think overall it looks quite nice. And depending on your setup, it won't stand out too much. And then the clamp itself is made of metal, and thankfully where it clamps onto your desk on the top and on the screw part base at the bottom, it does have a soft sort of mesh material that will sit here, so it won't damage and put too much pressure on your desk directly, so it should be able to hold it no problem. So setting this up, the first thing that will kind of capture you is how large this cup holder is, and it is made to hold very large cups inside of it. Now depending on your cup size, some cups will not fit inside of it. I do have a couple of examples of cups that will not fit in it. However, it will hold most large water bottles. For example, I have the 1 liter bottle from lttstore.com, which I believe is one of the largest kind of insulated water bottles you can get. And thankfully this kind of bottle does fit quite snugly inside. So most bottles here up to 1 liter in range should fit no problem whatsoever inside of this. It will not hold full 2 liter size Coca-Cola bottles or Sprite or anything like that, so don't be expecting anything in that regard. But for typical insulated water bottles, or for anything up to 1 liter or cans of Monster, stuff like that, will be no problem inside of this. Now coffee cups are also mostly fine. We do have a small cutout on the side of the wooden piece that does allow for the handle to be sticking outwards. However, it fit all of the coffee cups in my house except for one, which is an M&M's cup. I got as some promo for buying M&M's in a local store here in Belgium, but that is the only cup in my house that didn't fit inside this cup holder. So overall I feel it's quite good and will hold most of the cups and bottles that you can fit inside it. Again, I'll be leaving all the measurements on screen, as I still feel like this is still a pretty good cup holder, and overall the material and build feel quite solid. A lot more solid than I was expecting, especially for the price and seeing all the different materials here. Overall I'm really happy with this, and that's something I would definitely recommend picking up if you're going to IKEA. I feel like the new gaming range has a lot of cool options, and I'm going to be taking a look at some more products in the future, but this cup holder is definitely a good start. And I think if you're looking for something cheap for a gaming setup to just take some extra space off your screen, this is definitely a good option. Anyway guys, that's been my unboxing and review of the IKEA cup holder thingy TM. If you enjoyed it, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I want to take this moment to give a huge shout out to the channel members, Sean Daly, Joshua Davis, and Devontae Hunt. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, I really appreciate it. If you'd like to have your name shout out in future videos or some other perks, be sure to click the join button on any video on the channel, it would really help me out. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.